You are listening to Seven Horns AI, your AI-powered market update. Good morning. Today is Wednesday, June 17th, 2026, and we are looking at the setup for the Wednesday trading session as the market prepares to open at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Overnight, global markets provided a mixed handoff for Wall Street. In Japan, the Nikkei 225 closed near record highs, gaining 0.72% to 69,902, briefly crossing 70,000 for a second consecutive day. This strength was supported by strong export growth. However, Chinese sentiment remained pressured as Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index closed down 0.8% to 24,274. In Europe, the London Stock Exchange is currently open, and the developed International Exchange-Traded Fund proxy is ticking up 0.47%, suggesting a constructive tone for European equities this morning. This mixed global backdrop brings us to U.S. futures, where we are seeing a notable reversal dynamic from yesterday's closing action. Leading the pre-market is the Nasdaq 100, with futures pointing to a sharp bounce, up 1.71% since yesterday's cash close. S&P 500 futures are also pointing modestly higher, up 0.67%. Meanwhile, Dow futures are giving back some of yesterday's record-setting gains, trading down 0.66%. This indicates that technology and growth stocks are poised to reclaim a major portion of yesterday's losses at the opening bell. The biggest headline today is the Federal Reserve decision. This afternoon, the Federal Open Market Committee will conclude its policy meeting, the first chaired by Kevin Warsh. Interest rates are widely expected to remain on hold at 3.50% to 3.75%, but investors will dissect the statement and press conference for any hawkish shifts. We are also watching the continued fallout from the tentative U.S.-Iran ceasefire agreement, which has sent crude oil plunging nearly 5% to a three-month low, trading around $76 a barrel. This commodity collapse is easing inflation fears, but putting heavy pressure on energy equities. Finally, in technology, we saw a massive rotation yesterday as semiconductor names like NVIDIA fell 2.37% and Marvell Technology fell 9.78% following the resignation of its chief financial officer and large insider sales. At the open today, keep a close eye on those beaten-down technology stocks. We are already seeing dip buyers step in, with Marvell Technology rising 2.87% in pre-market trading, and Applied Optoelectronics gaining 3.14% after falling 9.78% yesterday. In addition, the gold mining company SSR Mining is up 0.85% in the pre-market, building on yesterday's 9.99% surge. As we head into the session, the dominant themes will be the tech bounce, oil's descent, and the massive Federal Reserve decision this afternoon. That is your pre-market briefing from Seven Horns AI. Good luck out there today. Visit sevenhorns.ai for more.